Building loyalty with weekly educational emails is one of the most powerful strategies you can use to connect with your audience and establish long-term trust. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to build a loyal email list through consistent, valuable, and engaging content. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special free trial to recommend that'll help you do all of this with ease. First, the key to building loyalty through emails is delivering real value week after week. This means offering your subscribers something they can't easily find elsewhere. Whether it's actionable tips, insider knowledge, or industry secrets, make sure every email delivers something useful. And don't just focus on sales. The more you educate, the more you build trust. To keep them coming back, your emails should be consistent. Pick a day and time each week to send your content and stick to it. This routine builds anticipation and creates a sense of reliability with your audience. Consistency also helps with engagement rates, as your subscribers will start expecting your emails and looking forward to them. Another crucial factor is personalization. Address your subscribers by name and segment your list so you can send targeted content that's relevant to each group. The more tailored your content is, the more your subscribers will feel like you're speaking directly to them, which increases their loyalty. Next, make your emails easy to read. This means clear, concise language, eye-catching subject lines, and a clean layout. If your emails are cluttered or hard to follow, your subscribers won't stick around for long. Use bullet points, subheadings, and images to break up the text, making it scannable for those who don't have time to read every word. And don't forget the power of storytelling. Share anecdotes, case studies, and success stories that resonate with your audience. People connect with stories more than dry facts or statistics. If you can craft a compelling narrative around your content, you'll keep your readers engaged and eager for more. Now, you might be wondering, how can you make this process easier? That's where our software comes in. It streamlines everything from creating and sending emails to automating the follow-ups, so you can focus more on creating great content and less on the technical side. If you want to try it out, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below just for viewers of my channel. It's a great way to get started and see how easy it can be to build loyalty with your emails. As we wrap up, let's review the main points. Deliver valuable content consistently, personalize your emails, keep them easy to read, and tell compelling stories. This will help you build a loyal audience that looks forward to hearing from you each week. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. You'll be able to put all these tips into practice with the right tools to make the process even easier. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to building loyalty is always providing value. Keep it consistent and your audience will keep coming back.